Facebook Watch Video tab missing. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Watch option or icon is missing. So all what you want to do to fix this problem, there is actually two ways. The first way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Facebook, then update it by clicking on this green option as you can see right here. That's the first way. The second way, go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you want to do here is click on Facebook and then click on force stop right here as you can see. After you click on force stop, now all what you want to do next is click on the storage and then click on clear data, clear cache to clear everything. Click on the power usage details and then click on the app launch and turn on manage automatically option. Click OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.